Hello all, welcome to my channel Revathi Kitchen. Chakhwi is one of the traditional, delicious and healthy preparations of Tripura cuisines. The state food of Tripura is Chakhwi, and one of the most important ingredient of Tripura cuisines is fermented fish and pork. But today I am going to make a vegetarian Chakhwi. Tripura cuisines has delicious dishes and healthy preparations. The dish tastes best if you serve it with rice, and the magic of the dish is it is prepared without oil, zero oil. So let's get started. First we'll have a look at the list of the ingredients. I have taken a small raw papaya, 2 radish, few peas, beans kind of, some 4 to 5 green chilies, 4 to 5 lemon leaves, and 1 teaspoon of salt or salt as per your taste, small piece of ginger, and 2 teaspoons of rice flour, and 2 teaspoons of masoor dal, and quarter teaspoon of baking soda. You can take any vegetable of your choice. First we'll take the dal, wash it well with water and soak it in water for at least 20 minutes. Let it get soaked. In the meanwhile, we'll chop and clean all the vegetables. So you can take any vegetable of your choice, but today I have taken raw papaya, radish, beans and all those things. You can chop all the vegetables to medium size so that it doesn't get dissolved. So now in a pot, take 1 liter of water and let it boil. Once it starts boiling, add the dal, salt, baking soda, all the vegetables, ginger, green chili, and we'll keep the lemon leaf aside. We'll add it later. Let it cook at least for 20 minutes until the vegetables are cooked well. After that, I will add the lemon leaves and cook it for another 5 more minutes so that the flavor gets infused well. Now take the rice flour, add some water and make it your water consistency and add it to the vegetables, and you can cook it for another 5 more minutes and keep on stirring it well. So friends, you can see that our tasty, delicious and healthy chakhwi is ready. The vegetable has to be cooked well. It's one of the healthiest recipe, friends. You can serve it with rice. It is a very healthy recipe and very quickly you can make it. So friends, you can try this healthy recipe and comment me in the comment section. Thank you friends.